welcome to Princess Cupcake. Let's get started. Hi guys, today we are doing Walking in the Woods Princess Cupcake. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. That's my stick. Let's go.
Ooh.
And that black little hole right there, that was a little bit scary to me. I think I just found a big spider. And its eyes were so big. Its eyes were so big. We were not sure what it was. It was so scary. Anyways, let's go, because I was really scared of that.
Look at that big rock first.
If you are alone, never stick your hand or a stick inside some random hole. Because I just did that right now. And then I thought I saw some 3 eyes sticking out, and it was so big. And be careful when you're in these woods. Be careful when there's a lot of branches, because you might poke yourself. Because there's a little bit of thorns and pokey stuff in here, which might be. Look at this! This is such a big rock. Ugh. You can barely even pick it up. Oh, I think it's called a white quartz. There's dry musk on it. It's on the back. You can't really see it. This is a white quartz. There's a lot of white quartz in Georgia. We're trying to find some white quartz. We're finding some right now.
Hold the camera steady, okay?
Okay. We're finding them right now. We're gonna follow this trail to the river, but not near that river, right? Here. This is a normal one. A white quartz. Remember, a lot of these are in Georgia. Let's keep on searching. Let's go into the river trail. Whoa, a white quartz. Oh, there's a hole right there. I'm not touching that. This, my mommy said one day, it was called a moss.
Moss.
It's called a moss. And it's actually really cool. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, there's deer tracks.
Can you point at them?
They're right here. They're facing this way. this big hill, and it has a bunch of rocks on it. So there's a big building I want to show you guys. It's over here. Look how big this is! Let's go explore! Now we're gonna go back. Well, that was it for today. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.